Canada is tough on roads. We're hot in the summer, cold in the winter. The expansion and contraction of the pavement, it's going to cause cracks, it's going to cause potholes. But this is not a pothole. This is a portal to the next universe. This is a shortcut to China. This is immense. And it's been here for over 3 weeks. Now, they've got pylons here to mark it. Well, that's clever. Have you ever heard of anybody stealing a pylon? Maybe put it on their dock so they know how to dock their boat, or just for the heck of it? What happens if some cyclist is coming along here at night? He's got his tiny little flashlight on his bike. He hits that thing, he's launched into next Tuesday. It's just insane. And did I mention it's been here for 3 weeks? Now, speed bumps, I get it. There's a playground here. This is not a speed bump. It's about time they got something done. I know governments are very busy these days. They've got a lot of complaints to deal with. But I'm just giving you a massive complaint on this. And it's the same in Toronto, Calgary, Edmonton, Halifax, you name it. Every city's got the same issue. So come on, get on it. I'm Jim Kenzie.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share us. We really appreciate it.